If you give me 3 minutes, I'll tell you everything you need to know about FoxBet Sportsbook. How can I do this in just 3 minutes? Well, I'm not going to give you some fantastic deal or promo code that you get by signing up through me. I'm not about any of that. I'm just about giving you straight facts as a bettor at FoxBet. I'm not paid by or compensated by FoxBet in any way. You can believe all these talking heads, or you can believe a real deal sports bettor. Believe me, don't believe me, I don't care. Time's wasting. Let's get started. Let's go. FoxBet started out as BetStars in the US market, a product of PokerStars. A short time later, they teamed up with Fox Sports and the FoxBet brand was born. Last year, FoxBet was acquired by Flutter Entertainment, who also owns all these sports betting brands. So far, though, FoxBet operates independent of the other Flutter brands. FoxBet offers a standard array of lines on major and minor sporting events. Most of their wagers are similar to every other legal sportsbook. However, FoxBet often takes opinions on games, and as such is usually worth checking out when it comes to line shopping. FoxBet is pretty rich with derivative bets on all the games they offer. You can find many alternative spreads and totals, as well as other wagers on game segments. The VIG they charge on derivatives tends to be on the high side. You can expect 6 to 8% VIG on many derivatives. That's too high in my opinion. And when it comes to prop bets, FoxBet is not a strong player in the market. They offer plenty of props, but they typically offer only one-way props where you can't bet both sides of the line. Sometimes they offer player performance props in a multi-way market instead of just over and under. That also adds VIG. If you're a prop player, FoxBet is not going to be one of your best choices. The interface to FoxBet can be confusing at times. Many wagers exist in collapsed menus that are trapped inside other collapsed menus and can be hard to find. Interfaces are tough and all tend to require some sort of learning curve. The mobile app looks and feels a lot like the web version, although finding your way to the bet slip can be tricky at times. One issue many people have with FoxBet's interface is their inconsistent use of American odds. Oftentimes the VIG is unevenly and inexplicably applied. Similar wagers, similar market, different VIG amount. If you shop lines, you'll often find yourself scratching your head looking at FoxBet's lines. One bright spot, though, is their futures market, where FoxBet offers decent pricing compared to many other competitors. Major sports have an 18 to 20% theoretical hold on their futures, while minor sports futures typically range from 22 to 25% theoretical hold. FoxBet's standard promo is the odds boost. They like to leverage their Fox Sports on-air talent to come up with creative promotions, but more often than not, it is an odds boost. Their boosted odds appear to be generous on the surface, but often the boosted amount is not far off from what is available at other books as an unboosted line. Before betting their boosts, you should verify that you're really gaining something in the boost. While some of the better promos on FoxBet have a low $25 limit, others have much higher limits, so it pays to inspect them all. Bonus money is paid in free bets that must be wagered and have an expiration of typically 1 week. Does FoxBet tolerate sharp action? Well, surprisingly, yes, to an extent. They tend to get a bit risk-averse on unique markets, but for the most part they take decent action. The thing that FoxBet does better than many of their competitors is that they let you know the max bet they are willing to take before you submit your bet. At least if you find yourself limited by FoxBet, you'll know what the limit is before you waste your time trying to make a wager. FoxBet is clearly a sportsbook targeting the recreational bettor, but I also don't get the impression that they live in constant fear of any customer who wants to try and work hard to win. That's refreshing these days. And it looks like we've run out of time. My apologies to Clay Travis, or rather my apologies to anyone who follows Clay Travis's advice on betting, or on life in general for that matter. I hope you've enjoyed this 3-minute review of FoxBet Sportsbook.